OpenAI basically just launched an AI agency. A few days ago, they announced a $4 billion company whose entire job is doing what every AI content creator on YouTube tells you to do. Build automations and implement AI systems for businesses. And the panic is everywhere already. AI agencies are dead, AI agencies are over. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly what's happening, why most of this panic is wrong, and what Anthropic is doing instead. Which I think is the more interesting move for anyone building right now. So here's the announcement, the OpenAI deployment company. They call it DeployCo. $4 billion in initial investment. And to stuff it from day one they acquired Tomoro, an applied AI consulting and engineering firm that helps enterprises turn AI into operational advantage. So these are just fancier words for a big AI agency. And this acquisition will bring approximately 150 experienced engineers. So Tomoro was already building AI systems for DPD, Tesco, Virgin Atlantic. So OpenAI just absorbed an enterprise scale deployment team that was already producing real work. And look who's behind it, Advent, Bain Capital and Brookfield as co-lead founding partners. And here's the part most people are missing. Investors also include leading consulting firms. Bain and Company, Capgemini, McKinsey and Company, three of the biggest consulting companies in the world, just picked OpenAI's side. So Twitter sees this and immediately panics. AI agencies are dead, OpenAI just killed the entire industry, and on the surface that makes sense. $4 billion, 150 engineers, and three of the biggest consultancy companies in the world, that sounds like the death of small companies. But the math doesn't actually work, let me show you why. There are 36.2 million small businesses in the US, only in the US. They make up 99.9% of all businesses in the country. That means that the number of really big enterprises is just a fraction of that. Roughly 20 to 30,000 companies. And these are the Fortune 500 and Global 2000 type companies. So billion-dollar budgets and long procurement cycles. And that's the world DeployCo is built to serve. And here's why that's such a small target. This is Stanford's index on AI. 88% of organizations in the whole world are using AI right now. 70% are using generative AI in at least one business function. And if you're building an AI agency, that's good news for you. Because small and medium businesses started seeing the need for AI. And there are not enough companies fulfilling this right now. And they don't have enough budget to work with DeployCo or similar big consulting firms. And the whole thing happened in 3 years. Generative AI reached 53% adoption. And it is faster than the personal computer or the internet. So this isn't just a small wave. It's everyone, everywhere, all at once. So to put it all together, DeployCo has 150 engineers. McKinsey, Bain and Capgemini combined have a few thousand consultants who actually know AI. That's it. They can't surf this wave. Their whole model is built around the Fortune 500 or Global 2000 company, not the millions of organizations below. That's where small AI agencies come into play. So these are not dead, the opposite is happening. The market just got split in half, but we got a bigger one. The half that's actually growing faster. Okay, now let's talk about what OpenAI and Anthropic are doing here, because the strategies are completely different. OpenAI is going vertical, they're building their own in-house deployment army. They want to own the deployment layer top to bottom. Anthropic is doing the opposite. They're going horizontal. Instead of building one large deployment company, they're scaling it through their partner network. The way it works is simple. AI agencies, consultants, integrators, solo founders, anyone deploying Claude inside businesses can join, hopefully. You apply right here, but you must have a registered company for this. Then you get access to training, technical support, joint go-to-market resources. The application is free and open. I mean, it's a pretty long process right now, but they are working on making it faster. So that's the difference. OpenAI is building their own deployment company. Anthropic is enabling thousands of small ones. So here's my take. This isn't the end of AI agencies. It is just the formal split of the market into two tiers. We already had it before, but now we can see it clearly. So top tier, DeployCo and the big consulting firms are fighting over the Fortune 500 companies. And the long tail, everyone else serving the small and medium businesses, too small for any of them to touch. The only mistake you can do right now is doing nothing because you just saw a scary headline. So if you want to actually learn Claude code and how to build agents, that's the main content on this channel. Subscribe and stick around because we're going deep on all of it.